How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can ask Siri to say your name. It's just something a little bit fun. So what you're going to do is you're going to click and leave pressed the power button on the right side of your phone until Siri appears. So like this. What's my name, Siri? So as you see, guys, Siri will tell you who you are. Another thing you can do to invoke Siri is you can actually have the option to recognize when you call for her. So this way you don't have to press any buttons. The way you do this is you go to settings, it's right here, but you can always swipe down, type in settings, click on settings right here, and go back. So we can start from the beginning, and we're gonna scroll down, and right here where it says Siri and search, click on that. And okay, so as you can see, the first option says listen for Hey Siri, right? And what that means is that you don't have to press any buttons. You just have to call Siri by saying Hey Siri, and she's gonna pop up and she's going to be ready for your instructions. I usually only select the press the side button. This is the one I like. But yeah, you can choose whichever option you want. So I hope that helps, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.